Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning and stabilizing the glass so paint adheres consistently. Once clean, position a reverse template under the glass and tape it in place to keep alignment. This prevents smudges later. Mix a small batch of clear medium with your first color at a 1:1 ratio to create a translucent base. Apply thin base strokes on the underside, following the template lines. Make sure to work from background to foreground so subsequent layers sit correctly and retain depth. Next, you build volume by alternating thin glazes and sculpted medium. Apply 2 to 4 translucent layers, allowing 10 to 20 minutes drying time between each so you don't trap solvent. For raised features, mix a modeling gel or silicone additive into paint and sculpt with a palette knife, keeping tool strokes consistent with the light direction. Once sculpted, feather the edges with a damp brush to integrate the relief into flat areas. Continue until depth reads clearly from the viewing side. To finish, apply 2 thin coats of UV-resistant varnish on the painted underside to protect color and texture. Allow 15 to 30 minutes between coats. Once cured, inspect edges and small details. If you see lifting or tiny bubbles, re-wet the affected edge lightly, press with a silicone tool to expel air, and let cure before adding another layer. Make sure the piece is stored flat and out of direct sunlight for at least 72 hours, so all layers fully stabilize and the relief holds its shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.